Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet fir stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're then going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across for your first row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, turn your work and make 3 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into the next one, you're going to make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and then 1 double crochet into that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches. Into the next one, make a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet into that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches. Into the next one, make a double crochet, chain 2, and make a double crochet into that same stitch. You're going to repeat this stitch until you have 3 stitches left in your row. I'm now at the end of my row where I have 3 stitches left. You're going to skip 2 and you're going to work into the last stitch, making 2 double crochet. And that's how row 2 is looking. For row 3, I attached a new color and brought in my test swatch, so this is what the stitch is going to look like. You're going to start row 3 by making 3 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 double crochet. You're going to skip these 2 stitches. You're now going to be working into these spaces made from the double crochet, chain 2, double crochets in your last row. So in this open space, you're going to make a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet in that same space. Skip over to this next open space from a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, make a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet. Skip over to this next open space, make a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet. You're going to repeat this step until you reach the end of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to skip 1 stitch. You're then going to work 2 double crochet into the last stitch of your row. And that is how row 3 is looking. You would now repeat row 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet fir stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.